To install the Hohm Avance smart bulb, follow the instructions as below. Part 1. How to install the Hohm app and register. Step 1. Install the Hohm app from Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Open the Hohm app and click on Sign Up on the login screen. If you agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, click on Agree. Step 3. Now select the country and enter a valid email ID. Click on Get Verification Code. You will receive a verification code on the mentioned email address. Step 4. Enter the verification code and set a strong password. Click Done to complete the registration process. Part 2. How to install and configure the Hohm Avance smart bulb on your Hohm app. Step 1. Connect your phone to the Wi-Fi and make sure your Bluetooth is on. Step 2. Click on Add Device button or plus sign on the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. To add the product, you scan the product using the Auto Scan feature on the top right of the screen, or add the device manually by clicking on the light source Wi-Fi for your Hohm Avance smart bulb. Step 4. Connect the product to your Wi-Fi by entering the username and password of your Wi-Fi. Click Next once the details are entered. Step 5. Bring the device in setup mode, switching it in the pattern of on-off, on-off, on. Step 6. The product will start blinking rapidly, indicating it is ready to be paired. Click on Confirm Indicator Blinking and then click Next button. Step 7. The app will add the device through different stages, allowing you to monitor the process. Step 8. Once this step is complete, the smart product will appear on the list of connected products. Step 9. You can assign this smart product to a particular room or location within the space. If the particular location is not available on the app, you can add a room by using the Edit sign and naming the room. Step 10. If you want to rename the product for your convenience, you can click on the Edit sign next to the product and rename it. Part 3. Features of the Hohm Avance smart bulb. The Hohm Avance smart bulb is designed to give your home the perfect ambience and intelligence you deserve. A. Color temperature. You can change the color temperature of your bulb from soft white to daylight within seconds. B. Hues. Choose from 16 million color options to give every mood the perfect illumination. Brightness. Adjust the brightness at a touch. Group your products. You can group your products and control them all at once with a single tap. Set the scene. Customize lighting as per occasions using the scene function. Scheduling your bulb. Tap the Schedule button on the lower right corner of your screen. And then click on Add. Set the schedule you wish and click on Save. Set timer. Click on the left time button at the bottom left of your screen. Select the duration and click on Confirm. Part 4. Setting up your products with Alexa app. Step 1. Connect your Amazon Echo with the Alexa app. Step 2. To link Alexa to your Hohm Avance smart bulb, click on Skills and Games from the More tab. Step 3. Type Home in the search bar and click on Enable to use. Step 4. Enter your Home login credentials and click Authorize to allow Alexa to access the device. Step 5. A confirmation screen will appear which will show that the app has been linked. Part 5. Setting up your products with Google Home. Step 1. Connect your Google Home device with Google Home app. Step 2. Open Google Home app and click on Setting. Step 3. Click on Works with Google. Step 4. Type Home on the search bar and select Home from the results. Step 5. Enter your Home login credentials and click Link Now. Step 6. Click on Authorize to allow Google Home to access your product. Your Home Avance smart bulb is now configured with Google Home.